Okay, so out with me today, I've got the Traxxas 2-wheel drive / nitro, and I'm just breaking her in again. I've had about 4 tanks through her, sorry, and I'm just about getting up to full throttle now. And we'll just take her around, do these little circles. Here we go. Off she goes. Oh. And yeah, that's all I'm doing, is just breaking it in. So I've got some onboard footage for you. I'll leave you with that, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Okay, cheers.